Upgrading new construction to high-efficiency toilets and graywater reuse is one of the fastest ways to cut water use and operating costs while future-proofing a home. Start by planning fixtures and plumbing layouts around dual-flush toilets and low-flow lavatory and shower fixtures to maximize indoor savings, and place laundry machines where a laundry-to-landscape graywater loop can reach irrigation zones. Size piping for graywater with gentle slopes and easy-access cleanouts, and choose materials rated for non-potable reuse to avoid early corrosion or blockages. Include simple filtration such as a coarse screen and a short surge tank to remove lint and solids before distribution. And route distribution lines above ground or in accessible trenches with visibly marked non-potable signage at each outlet. Design irrigation zones for low-pressure drippers or soaker hoses rather than spray to reduce clogging and human contact with graywater, and balance reuse volumes by pairing laundry flow with storage or timed irrigation so plants receive consistent moisture without oversaturation. During construction, coordinate with plumbers and code officials early to confirm permitted system types and required inspections, and document the system in as-built drawings so future owners and technicians know what was installed and how it operates. 3 common issues are clogging from lint and hair, regulatory non-compliance, and poor irrigation design that causes odors or plant stress. Prevent clogging by installing a filter screen and easily reachable cleanouts, and by specifying front-loading or high-efficiency machines that shed less lint. Avoid regulatory problems by submitting plans and product data sheets to local code officials early, selecting systems listed for graywater reuse, and obtaining the required permits and inspections before covering plumbing. Fix irrigation and odor problems by using short retention with frequent low-volume distribution, including an overflow to sanitary sewer, and keeping distribution lines visible or labeled so maintenance is straightforward. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who work on efficient fixtures and graywater systems, and lets contractors find project leads in their service area. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips, product experiences, and local code reminders so everyone can make smarter choices during new home construction.